1 upon 3 raised to the power x plus 3 raised to the power x plus 3 raised to the power x is equal to 81. We have to find the value of x. Let's solve it. So 1 upon 3 to the power x, we can take common and write it as 3 to the power x bracket 1 plus 1 is equal to 81, or 1 upon 3 to the power x times 3. 81 we can write it as 3 to the power 4. Now we have an identity where a raised to the power m times a raised to the power n is equal to a raised to the power m plus n. So here we can write 1 upon 3 raised to the power x times 3 as 3 raised to the power x plus 1 is equal to 3 raised to the power 4. Now let's cross multiply it. Write 1 here and let's cross multiply it. So we can write 1 is equal to 3 raised to the power x plus 1 times 3 raised to the power 4. Again bases are same, both the bases are same. So we can write it as 1 is equal to 3 raised to the power x plus 1 plus 4, or 1 is equal to 3 raised to the power x plus 5. Now we know that if a is raised to the power 0, then the value is 1. So here 1 can be substituted as 3 raised to the power 0. The value will be 1 is equal to 3 raised to the power x plus 5. Again we know that when a raised to the power m is equal to a raised to the power n, and when a is not equal to 0 or plus minus 1, then m is equal to n. That means 0 is equal to x plus 5 because bases are same. Now we can find the value of x here. We can send 5 to the left hand side. So x will be equal to minus 5. This is our answer. We can verify the answer by substituting the value of x here. 1 upon 3 raised to the power minus 5 plus 3 raised to the power minus 5 plus 3 raised to the power minus 5 is equal to 81. We have to check whether LHS is equal to RHS. Again we take 3 raised to the power minus 5 as common, and then 1 plus 1 is equal to 81, or 1 raised to the power 3 minus 5 times 3 is equal to 3 raised to the power 4. Now this is 1 raised to the power 3 minus 5 plus 1 is equal to 3 raised to the power 4, or 1 upon 3 raised to the power minus 5 plus 1 is 3 raised to the power minus 4 is equal to 3 raised to the power 4. Now we know negative power means when a raised to the power minus m, then it means multiplicative inverse of the a raised to the positive power of the exponent. So a raised to the power minus m is equal to 1 upon a raised to the power m. So 1 upon 3 raised to the power minus 4 means 1 upon 3 raised to the power 4, and this means that this is 1 divided by 1 upon 3 raised to the power 4, and when you convert division into multiplication, the fraction gets inverted, so it becomes 1 times 3 raised to the power 4. So it goes to the numerator, it becomes 3 raised to the power 4. So LHS is equal to RHS. Hence our answer is verified. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.